So I'm talking about 5 ways you can choose a YouTube niche that will bring you massive wealth. So the question is, are you tired of just doing YouTube and not getting anything in return? Are you tired of creating a YouTube channel and views are not coming? Are you tired of getting views in so little from your efforts? Then this video is for you. Today we're talking about the top 5 strategies you can use to get the perfect niche to make lots of money from YouTube. So if this interests you, please stay right there. I'll be right back.
Yes, I'm making big money on YouTube.
Number 1 is to understand your passion and expertise. You know, many people go into YouTube because their friends are actually doing YouTube. They want to do this and they want to do that just because this guy is making money from, let's say, storytelling. And you see them doing storytelling. Then they see another guy that is making money from sports and they start doing content on sports. Sincerely speaking, if you do that, you struggle for so long, no headway, because you are confusing the YouTube algorithm, you are confusing your audience, and as such, you will struggle to grow your channel. So the first thing you need to consider when thinking of how to grow a YouTube channel that actually attracts wealth is to understand your passion and your expertise. Once that is done, then we can start talking about how to grow it and how to make money from it. The truth is, if you focus on your passion and your expertise, then it will be easier for you to do lots and massive content. You'll be able to create lots of content, and that would eventually translate into money. Like I've always told people, there are about 3 billion people using YouTube globally, and that means that no matter what niche you go into, you will have your audience. You will have people that want your content, that can relate with you, and they can subscribe and grow with you. Number 2, that's your expertise and your passion. Write it down. Then from it, research the profitable niche from your passion and expertise. So the number 2, like I said, is what? Research profitable niche. The truth is, all niches are not equal. I said it in one of my videos that if you run a car channel and your friend runs a comedy channel, your revenue will never be the same, even if you get the same traffic. Now, even if the car channel gets 50% less your comedy channel traffic, that guy is more likely making more money than you that run a comedy channel. You know why? Let's assume you watch a video on a comedy channel. What kind of adverts do you see there? You see adverts from seasoning companies, soap companies, and all. But when you watch videos on a car channel, you see adverts from cars, courses, travel, premium adverts. So the question now remains, how much are these advertisers paying people making these videos? An advertising company that wants to advertise a car will actually pay over $1,000 for 1,000 views. But most likely, the advertising company that wants to pay for a comedy channel will most likely be paying less than $5 in some cases. So how much do you think YouTube will give to you if YouTube actually gives out 65% of their earnings per time? So if they give 65% of $1,000, you know how much that is? What if they give you 65% of, let's say, $10 or $5? So that is it. So passion is never enough. You need wisdom to actually make lots of money from YouTube and any other thing you do. So once you understand your passion and expertise, look within, broaden the scope, and pick the niche that you believe will be very profitable for you, and you get started. So number 3, evaluate your monetization strategies, because I've always told people, some of us don't make video for Google AdSense alone. We also make videos for, so that we can sell affiliate products, so that we can also run a business outside our Google AdSense earnings. So if you watch my videos sometimes, you will see that there are some that are actually paid for. It's not just about making a video. Sometimes we are promoting a product, and as such, we get commission from those products, either from sales or from the views, and all. In some cases, we also have personal businesses that will grow by the side using our videos to promote them. But all these will actually depend on the niche you pick. So if you fall into the category that pick a niche that has only one way of making money, like Google AdSense, Or what if something happens to your Google AdSense, or the AdSense is not really paying so well? So you start struggling to actually earn income, and over time the passion will die and your channel will die. So guys, making a niche that will make you rich this very year, if you are just starting a YouTube, or you have started a YouTube that is one that is not growing, like I said, focus on what you have expertise on and passion, so that you will not run into trouble or you not get exhausted. And also make sure you do your research about the niche, so that, you know, like I said, all niches are not equal. And number 3, you need to understand that there are a lot of strategies to make money from YouTube. So you need to pick a niche that has lots of monetization strategies. With that, you are rest assured that you will keep, you know, making progress and financial gains, even when Google AdSense earnings doesn't really come so well. Number 4, you need to look for a niche that has lots of audience. So making money from YouTube is not just about creating content, you know, churning out content like someone that something is chasing. You need to understand that there are some niche that has lots of audience. So like I said earlier, all niches are not the same. There are some niche that has lots of audience, they have massive audience. So don't go into a niche that will box you into a corner and then you won't get views, or when you get views, you know, the growth is low or people won't really know about it. Think of a niche that has massive audience, such that once you upload a video, within 1 month you are having thousands of views. So that's how to grow on YouTube, and that's how to make lots of money. You need to understand that when researching a niche, pick a niche that has lots of potential and has lots of audience, so that you will not box yourself into a corner and run into trouble over time. Number 5, test and refine your ideas. Don't just depend on what you have watched there. Do more research. Test and refine. Test and refine. That's how we grow. So if you check my channel, this very channel you are watching, you see that we started with travel. Then we noticed that at some point the views weren't coming. Then we went into some other niches like make money online and some other things. Then we started expanding our scope to see which works, and this is always very good at the initial stage. In some cases, you need to try multiple niches. You have to try multiple strategies to see how to grow your channel, and over time you start dropping areas that you know are not growing. And in some cases you need applications and softwares like vidIQ and TubeBuddy. These things will actually guide you. They will tell you which one is working, they will tell you which one is not working, things to do, things to drop, and all. So guys, I've always said it, if you enjoyed our content, please share this content with your friends. All you have to do to help us on this channel is to like our videos, drop a comment if you have extra ideas or you have things you think you like to say, and also subscribe to this channel so that once we drop new videos, you will be the first to get the notification. Thanks for watching once again, and bye for now.